Hello, my name is Adrian Ortiz. I am psychology student at UNAC in SEAT Chiquinquirá. I'm going to speak about Coco movie, Find Your Voice. In Mexico, Miguel dreams of becoming a musician, even though his family strictly forbids it. Miguel idolizes Ernesto de la Cruz and secretly teaches himself to play guitar from Ernesto's old movies. He ignores his family's objections and leaves to enter a talent show for Day of the Dead. He breaks into Ernesto Mausoleum and takes his guitar to use in the show. And so he becomes invisible to everyone in the village plaza, and he can interact with the skeletal dead who are visiting from the land of the dead for the holiday. In, in that place, Miguel plays Remember Me and sings along with Miguel. She reveals she had saved one piece of the family photo and her family's stories about her father, through saving his memory and his existence in the land of the dead. Miguel's family reconciles with him and ends the ban on music. What did you learn about the movie? Mm, I learned that it's important not to give up and fight for our plans, even if there are difficulties. It's also important to highlight the value of the family. How did the film make you feel? This movie brought me many memories and made me feel different emotions. It's a funny movie, but it made me reflect on the pursuit of longings. How does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? From psychology, this film is an example of the importance that should be given to personal convictions, family values, the role of the culture and traditions in community heritage. Thank you.